all those petitions you are seeing against Justice Martha Koome, against judges of the Supreme Court, is the machinations of the state, because they would like to put a Supreme Court, a bench that is amiable to what those in power want. Tuseme ya kwamba we cannot accept, and we want to ask the international community to keep an eye on Kenya, because Parliament has been captured, the opposition has been neutered. If now they capture the judiciary through the removal of Martha Koome and the Supreme Court judges, this country will slip into a dictatorship.
I personally asked the CJ whether that was true, because Kenya ni nchi ya shukunuku. So I asked her and she confirmed. CS is saying that she has 32 a security of 32 people, which is a lie. Because I think a lot of people we are dealing with in this government tell the truth by accident. She has 4 cars, therefore 4 drivers, and you know, and bodyguards, and that's clear intimidation.
We must not be intimidated. We must not fear. We must resist. We must do all that we can do to challenge those who want to bring back fear. No one is safe, correct, but we shall win because we are more and we are determined.